Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my July 2019 Sephora Play Bag. And before we get started, I want to tell you that I am completely blind as a bat. I can see nothing because I do have my glasses here, but these are those glasses that darken in sunlight, and the lighting is so bright in here that they're darkened. So if I put them on, like, it looks like I'm wearing slightly sunglasses. So if it ends up bothering me too much, I'm going to put them back on. But for now, I'm just going to leave them on the table. But I have very bad vision, and like I can't see anything. So, and number two, I wanted to mention that some of you guys commented on my recent video. I can't remember if it was my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or my Ipsy Plus or Ipsy Glam Bag, that you thought I might have cut my hair and that it looked nice. And I want to thank you. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, I will probably never have shoulder length hair again. I used to wear it shoulder length all the time, but as I'm getting older, my hair is definitely changing, and it is taking forever to grow my hair. It takes me like a year to grow like 3 or 4 inches of hair. So I just probably will never cut it that short because of that, because it just takes so long for my hair to grow anymore. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the bag. But I do appreciate your comments. Thank you very, very much. It warmed my heart. So thank you very much. Anyway, in my Sephora Play Bag, I have a little card here. The theme looks like it says Isle of Beauty, and there's all sorts of little cute little things on this side of the card, as well as the 50 Sephora Play Points. If you are purchasing something on Sephora, you can use that card and you get extra Sephora Play Points. On the inside of the paper, it has all of the items from this month's bag. So we're going to go ahead and reach in the bag. It is green this month, which is kind of different, but I'm going to go ahead and pull out the perfume sample. This is from Marc Jacobs. It's the Daisy Love, and it is the Eau de Toilette. I will not be spraying this. If you've ever been on my channel before, I do have sensitivities to scents, and I don't normally wear a perfume or a cologne or anything like that. But I will read it to you from the card. It says, this is this month's bonus. Marc Jacobs Fragrances. Daisy Love, Oh So Sweet. Feminine, playful, and a little unpredictable, the sophisticated scent still knows how to have a good time. Meet the blend. It's the fragrance family of floral. The top note is white raspberry, the middle note is daisy tree petals, and the bottom note is sugar musk. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway. I'm going to put this in my box back here, and whenever it gets a handful of perfumes, my husband will take it in. He is a teacher. He leaves it in at school for them to enjoy it. So, all right. Let's go ahead and get into the bag, get the next item. We'll pull this out since it's right on top. All right, so this is probably one of the only few things, and I did already look at the card, that I am actually excited about. This is from Drunk Elephant. It's the Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. So that is the box there. And again, if the camera doesn't quite focus, I do apologize. I cannot see the viewfinder, so I can't tell if it focuses or not. All right, so inside it is a little tub. And it is one of those cleansing balms. So no scent, which is nice. And that is what it looks like. So I will definitely give that a try. I do like most of the Drunk Elephant products that I have tried in the past. Oh, there's another thing in here. There is a little pouch here. This is the Drunk Elephant Bamboo Booster Exfoliant. Bamboo Extract Charcoal Powder. I don't know. That is what it looks like. So, let's go ahead and read from the card. So this is the Drunk Elephant Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser with the Bamboo Booster, which I guess this is the Bamboo Booster. So the only thing this cleansing balm leaves behind is a dewy glow. Plus, it comes with an extra exfoliator made with bamboo and charcoal powder. Get the ingredients. It comes with marula seed oil, which moisturizes and nurtures skin, Kalahari melon seed oil, which soothes and calms, and boabab baobab, I don't know, seed oil, which softens and dissolves makeup. So that I'm actually kind of excited to give a try. I do have some other cleansing balms. I don't use them as often as I probably should because I do wear contacts, and I don't always take my contacts out before I take my makeup off. I just don't. And I'm afraid to rub cleansing balm into my eyes and get it in my contacts, because the couple times that I have done that, my contacts get like this weird film across it. So probably too much information. Let's go back into the bag. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. So this I'm not super excited about, and I'll tell you why. This is from Caudalie. It's the Vino Pure Skin Perfecting Serum. That is what it looks like. Okay. So this is the Caudalie Vino Pure Natural Salicylic Acid Pore Minimizing Serum. There's only so much room in that survival kit, so pack this multitasking serum that diminishes the look of pores and zaps blemishes. How to use. Morning and night, apply a dime-sized amount to your clean, dry face. Tip, use it as a spot treatment for problem areas overnight. And it says it was chosen specifically for my skin concerns. This is a fine product. I have tried other Caudalie products in the past. I don't have any problems with Caudalie products, but I am 100% certain that I've gotten this before in this bag specifically. And that kind of is disappointing. So will I use this? Yeah, I'm about to go to the beach for a week, and sometimes my skin will get, have issues with like the salt and the sand and so forth. So I might actually even bring this and the cleansing balm, actually, maybe. I don't know. We'll see when I go to the beach. Back into the bag. There is 3 more items. Okay, I'm going to pull this out next. This is from Bite Beauty. I'm actually not going to open this. This is the Matte Lip Crayon in Glacé. The reason I'm not opening it is because I already have it. Does it look similar? Yes, because I've gotten it in this bag before. This is actually the lipstick that I have on today. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand as well so you can get a little bit closer of a look. But this is the lipstick that I do have on today. I do like Bite Beauty lipsticks. I prefer their bullet lipsticks over the matte lipstick. I mean, it is comfortable, but I can definitely feel that it's matte, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and read the description on the card. This is the Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glacé. Long wear, water resistant, high pigment. This dusty mauve lip color is a treasure you definitely won't want to bury. Sorry, I'm squinting because I can't see it. Get the ingredients. Resveratrol acts as an antioxidant. Orange peel wax seals in moisture. Organic fruit butters is for hydration and nurture. And it says it's an exclusive. You know, that's fine. Like I said, I've gotten it before. So mine is staying with me. The one I got in today's bag will go into my giveaway drawer for you guys. All right, back into the bag. 2 more items? Yep, 2 more items. Let's go ahead and pull this out. This is going to go in my giveaway drawer as well because, again, I've gotten this product before in my Sephora play bag. But this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Now, I've gotten smaller samples in this. This is actually a bigger sample than I typically have gotten in the past. But I think I have like 2 or 3 of these in my bathroom, and I don't need any more. So this one is definitely going to come to one of you guys. The description on the card, however, and I do like Clinique products, by the way. I'm actually leaning a lot towards Clinique products when it comes to my skincare. They just agree with my skin. So this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Feel calm, cool, and collected, knowing this liquid remover will take off even the most budge-proof makeup. How to use. Shake, shake, shake the bottle, then soak a cotton pad with the remover. Hold the pad over your eyes and meditate, aka wait a few seconds. Then wipe away. There's no need to tug or pull. So, like I said, it's not a bad product. It's just that I have like 2 or 3 already of them. So, last item in the bag is this right here. This is from Kiehl's. It's the Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask. Instantly, skin feels firmer and looks smoother. It's an overnight mask. Doesn't smell too heavy. It is just like a peachy shaded cream, and it's a pretty bottle. The bottle is just like a pinky red, reddy pink. I don't know. pink and red are basically the same color almost, right? All right, so Kiehl's since 1851. This is the ginger leaf and hibiscus firming mask. Fall asleep anywhere, even a desert island, with this on, and you'll wake up with visibly firmer, smoother skin. How to use. Apply a quarter-size amount to cleansed skin before bed and leave it on while you catch those Z's. In the morning, cleanse skin to remove the mask. I might actually have to give this a try. Maybe tonight I'll give this a try. I can definitely use some firmer skin. It does have like almost like a whipped consistency. So that's nice. How does it feel? It actually feels thicker than I thought it would. Given that the consistency is like whipped consistency, it feels actually thicker than I thought it would. All right, let's go back through the items that I got in my bag from Sephora Play. I got the Kiehl's Firming Mask, the Clinique Take the Day Off, the Glacé Lip Color from Bite Beauty. Then I got the Caudalie Skin Perfecting Serum and the Drunk Elephant Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. So overall, you know, when I first opened the bag and I saw that there was only like the one makeup product, I was kind of disappointed, to be completely honest with you. But now that I've looked at all of the individual products, I'm not really too upset. 2 of the 5 I'm actually excited for to at least give a try, and that is the Drunk Elephant cleanser and the firming mask. Those 2 I'm actually kind of excited about. The Clinique product is a good product. Like I said, I just have a couple of these already. The Caudalie, again, a good product. I just have a couple of these already. And the Bite Beauty, again, a good product. I just already have it. So I'm a little bit disappointed that Sephora Play continually sends the exact same products that they seem to always send. I'm just a little bit disappointed, and I'm not trying to be bitter about it or rude about it or anything. It's just a little bit disappointing to continually get the same products. You know what I mean? So anyway, I'm about 50-50 on this bag, to be honest with you. The products are good. I just have gotten them before. So anyhow, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I really, really appreciate it. And hit the little bell if you choose to do that as well. And leave me any comments in the comment section down below. What did you get in your Sephora Play? It sounds like the way the card was written that there was some variations this month. So I would love to hear what you got in your bag. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.